A scatterplot is just another way to represent data. More specifically, it's a visual representation of paired data. Some of the key words we're going to look at are what is actually a scatterplot. This is a plot of coordinates in the form of x and y of quantitative data, meaning they have to be numbers. Since we are talking about paired data, we want to be able to look at correlation. We say that correlation exists when the values of one variable are associated with the values of another. For example, the amount of money that you make in a day is based off of how many hours you work. Linear correlation, however, this exists when the plotted coordinates results in a pattern that can be approximated by a straight line. If you look to the right, we have several pictures. Some of them represent what we call a positive linear correlation, where the plotted xy coordinates move in a positive or uphill fashion from left to right and look as though they could be in a straight line pattern. We also have some that look like they could be in a downhill straight line pattern as you move from left to right. Those are both considered to be linear correlations, one positive, one negative. Here we have no correlation, where the plotted XY data are kind of scattered all over the place. And here we have a correlation, but this correlation is parabolic because the points move in a parabola or U shape. So even though this is a correlation, this is not considered to be a linear correlation. Something to note is that correlation does not imply causation, meaning that just because two values are associated with each other does not mean that one value caused the other.